Previously on Tequila on the Rocks.
And we just ripped off one. We're in Marina Agana. We got some new pets. Breakfast with a view, guys.
Breakfast.
Okay guys, we're leaving the anchorage now.
Hello YouTube, my name is Manuel. Follow me during all these episodes and together we'll explore the best of Europe.
Okay guys, welcome back, and we are in Croatia again, in Šibenik, and this time we're on another boat. We're on a Fountaine Pajot MY37, and we're gonna show you around the boat, see what's good about it, see what's less good about it. To start from the outside, it's a Thunderball is the name. It's a sleek looking boat with flybridge, 37 feet, 40 feet. And just to show you around, there's an aft cockpit, so very nice. The boat does not have a swim platform, not necessary. There's our dinghy. And that's pretty much the outside. Now, let's get aboard and let's go on to the serious stuff. Swim ladder here. Want to go in the water. There's a winch to pick the tender up out of the water. Might come in handy. Engine rooms, we'll save that for last. And this is the aft cockpit. Sunshades are down for the moment because it's still hot here, but yeah, it's a nice cockpit. There's plenty of storage underneath all the seats for gas bottle and everything. Drainage. This is even more storage here. Engine rooms, and special feature, there's a small cabin here, and there's where the gas bottle sits. Look up the bow. And we'll walk to the front of the boat. These side windows can be opened if it's too hot. And there's a nice little relaxing area on the front of the boat as well. This one has some solar panels to catch some sun and charge the batteries. The anchor with the anchor winch. This is the hatches and the overhead and the forward compartments, the forward cabins. That's the for filling up the water and waste. This is where we keep the waste tank and the water tank, some spare ropes and the anchor chain. And the remote for the anchor chain. You can see that these seats, you can put the rest up so you can sit up a bit. It's nice as well. You can see the fly bridge from here. And we'll go there next. Again, on this side you can open up the window as well. Fan is in overhead is closed, so we're a little bit more shade from the sun. And this is the stairs to access the flybridge. Stairs is a bit yeah, you have to make sure you're not drunk if you go up here. That's definitely for sure. Flybridge is for this size of boat. Yeah, it's comfy. You got a nice table here. It's nice sitting here as well. Yeah, we've just done the Bali, the cat space, and it looked like the flybridge was more accessible and was a little bigger. You got a lounge area in the back here on that. But yeah, it's people's choice. You have a nice relaxing area here, and then we get to the Helm station. Helm station, yeah, I have to turn on the let's see, we have here the anchor winch, navigation chart, instrument panels, autopilot, and Volvo Penta, engine controls, starting, stopping the engines, and the engine throttles, electronic throttle control from Volvo, and the radio. A bimini to protect us from the sun. Let's see if we stand up from here. Yeah, you have a pretty nice, you can see all over the boat. But if you look at the back, yeah, you might have to reach a bit, and then you can see the end through the of the dinghy. So yeah, I don't know, a reversing camera might be might come in handy. There's some cup holders here, it's nice as well. Reasonable size chart plotter. So yeah, all in all, I think this is gonna do it. Boat tour. We have a small seating area here in the back of the boat. Doors open up 3/4. So that's nice. Yeah, I'm sorry, we've been doing the dishes. We're having some clothes on the table because we had yeah, we went swimming, we were drying everything. So boat's a bit of a mess. It's our last day of the charter as well. So seating area, we were very delighted with that. We've been using it every day all week, to have breakfast in the morning, to have dinner in the evening. Reason why we prefer this over the flybridge, we have a large table on the flybridge as well, is if you're, well, let me just show you. Try getting up even a glass of water on the stairs. It's not, well, a glass of water is okay, but if you want to carry a tray with some bread, some butter, jelly, a coffee, everything, that's then you get in trouble. The inside of the boat, table easily seats 6 people. We haven't been using this because the weather was so good. We're always on the outside. You can easily access seats this way. Behind here is the electrical panel. We got everything here: nav lights, hull lights, mooring lights, anchor winch, everything's in here. We also have a Fusion stereo and heating system with Webasto, which we've not been using at all. Well, actually the heating system, of course. Table seating on this side of the table, that's a bit narrow. I have problems getting in between. The seat is a bit large as well there, so if you have to get in there, that's uncomfortable. That's really not I think we have the option to turn the table around, but then of course it would come somewhere over here, so you can't access the seats from here. So yeah, it's one thing or the other. There's lots of storage underneath here as well. There are lots of panels where you can store some stuff. We have two large fridges here where we have some stuff in drinks, food, whatever. And there's another fridge just in on the bedrooms. We have drawer for all the cutlery, and there's a cabinet here for pottery, some glasses, wine glasses as well. Rest of the glasses and the dishes are underneath here, but we stacked some on top for drying, so can't show you right now. Some electrical outlets, some more storage over here, gas oven and a 2-burner gas hob, kitchen sink, and cabinets. We have plenty of cabinets, but it looks like there's a lot of unused place there where you could have made some cabinet. Here we just have the garbage bin and some stuff for brush and everything. Lighting is fine as well in the evening. We can open up those windows so you get cross breeze in here. The ventilation is good. There's an alternate helm station here as well. So if the weather is too bad, you can drive the boat from here on. So we haven't been using this either because the weather is so good actually. Moving on. Show you this is a charter version, 4-cabin version. This means 4 bedrooms and 2 heads. Plenty of ventilation. Window opens, the hatch opens. There's a hanging locker here with a shelf. You can put some stuff in there, and if you have a backpack, let me show you. It's really deep. You can put some stuff like a backpack. You can fit that in there as well. And there's storage under the bed as well. There's some storage on the side. The bathroom, the heads, there's mirror, some place to store some stuff, sink, small sink, works fine. It's a wet head, so it means you can pull out this, place it in here and take a shower. Electrical toilet. Pretty much it. Here we have another fridge, and that is the bedroom on the front side. There's some storage there as well, some cabinets to store some things, small shelf. Can open up the windows, and there's some more storage over here. The bed is a bit smaller though. The other side is an exact copy of this side. Here there's a hatch where you have some extra storage. There's a bucket in there. Some ropes and other stuff. So let me show you the engines. This boat is equipped with two Volvo D3 220 horsepower each. It gives the boat a top speed of about 19 to 20 knots, depending circumstances. Very nice. The engine room, large engine bay, easy accessible. See the fuel filter over there, water strainer here, fire extinguisher. It doesn't have a generator because there are some solar panels on the front of the boat, you might already have noticed, and the inverter kicks out about 2 kilowatt of power constantly, so that's a nice feature as well. Engine bay on the other side, pretty much an exact image of this side.
Next time in Tequila on the Rocks.
Bommeke! 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 Okay guys, that was it for this episode. As new in the world of YouTube, we could really use your help, and you can do this by giving us a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, so it would really help us. Thanks, bye guys.